Itel don't they get steez, oh. This one is like plus 5,000 steez. Itel made a gaming phone, and I know you've seen it on the internet. It's been everywhere. Everybody has been talking about this phone, and Itel no go send them to David K. We think we can't do my own steez. This is the Itel RS4. Let us unbox it and see what is special about this particular gaming phone. Everybody's talking about it. Pretty interesting. This box looks really, really premium. So the phone comes with a lanyard. We have the phone case here, and we have a phone cooling fan. Amazing stuff. In case you're wondering why I'm looking to this side, I'm looking at myself on the monitor. Don't ask me in the comment section. And then we have the earbuds, and then we have the phone itself here. So let's just take everything apart. This, my friends, is the lanyard. I hope you guys can see it. I'm blocking my face so the camera doesn't focus on my face. These are the phone cases that come with the Itel RS4 in the box. This is what the cooling fan looks like, and I think it looks pretty cool. This is what the case for the earbuds looks like. It is branded RS4. Can you see? Now this is the RS4, and now let us unbox the RS4. This phone comes with 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. See the way the box is even opening up. Let's not waste any time. This phone comes with yet another phone case inside the box. A clear case this time around. What? After just getting two free fire phone cases, a 45 watts charger in the box. I don't know if you can see it, but this is a 45 watts charger in the box. Also comes with a Type-C charging cable. The Itel RS4 looks like a racing phone or something like that. It has this racing design to it with the lines I see at the back. This is what the cooling fan looks like on the back of the Itel RS4. If not for any other thing in this box, you see this cooling fan, now plus 1,000 steez for Itel. I'm not even going to lie, it feels like a very solid phone. Plus 10,000 steez for Itel. No cap.